Today, we learn counting. Let's trace and paint them together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Let's learn some colors name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
One. I have one happy face. 2. I see two little birds. 3. There are 3 big cats. 4. 4 colorful balloons are flying. 5. 5 fingers on my hand. 6. 6 silly monkeys are playing. 7. 7 bright stars in the sky. 8. 8 big eggs in the nest. 9. 9 nice pencils in my box. 10. 10 tiny toes on my feet. 11. 11 elephants are marching. 12. 12 tasty cupcakes for all. 13. 13 happy friends are smiling. 14. 14 colorful flowers blooming. 15. 15 big books on the shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.